If you have money sitting in your bank account right now, stop scrolling, because what I'm about to show you, your bank will never say out loud. Your credit card company won't warn you. Your employer definitely won't tell you. This video is only 3 minutes, but by the end, you'll understand exactly how the system quietly drains your money every single month without you ever noticing. Secret number 1, your safe savings account is losing you money. Most banks pay you between 0.01% and 0.4% interest on your savings. Sounds harmless, right? But inflation eats away 3 to 4% of your money's value every year. So while your balance looks the same on the screen, the real value of that money is melting like ice in the sun. You're not saving. You're slowly losing. Secret number 2, credit scores are designed so you never fully win. Credit companies don't want you debt-free. They want you just responsible enough to qualify for more credit, but never disciplined enough to pay it off fast. That's why credit limits increase right when you're tempted to spend more. It's not a coincidence. It's a business model built on minimum payments and rolling interest. Secret number 3, your paycheck is taxed before you even see it. Most people think they're taxed on what they spend. Wrong. You're taxed on what you earn first, before rent, before groceries, before anything. That's why 2 people with the same salary can have completely different take-home pay, depending on how their income is structured. The wealthy don't earn less tax. They earn differently. Secret number 4, buy now, pay later is rewiring your brain. BNPL apps aren't convenience, they're psychology. Splitting a $200 purchase into 4 payments of $50 makes your brain feel like you spent nothing. Studies show people spend up to 20% more using buy now, pay later than with a regular card. It's not a payment plan. It's a spending trap disguised as flexibility. Secret number 5, the richest people don't save money, they buy assets. While most people are told to save more, the wealthy focus on buying things that pay them back: stocks, real estate, businesses. Saving protects your money. Assets